Ever found yourself staring at your phone, refreshing your bank account, wondering, where's my money? Especially after a job well done? You're not alone. If you're using Jobber or considering it, that question probably looms large. How long does Jobber actually take to pay? Let's be real, getting paid on time is crucial. It's not just about the money, it's about peace of mind, managing your cash flow, and keeping your business running smoothly. Delays can throw everything off, from paying your own bills to investing back into your company. So, understanding Jobber's payment timelines isn't just a detail, it's a fundamental part of your business strategy. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's establish some context. Jobber is a powerful platform designed to streamline operations for home service businesses. From scheduling and invoicing to client communication and payment processing, it aims to simplify the day-to-day grind. But, like any system involving money, there are processes and timelines to understand. Think of it this way. When you complete a job, you're not just expecting immediate payment. You're expecting a seamless transition from work done to funds received. That transition involves several steps, each with its own potential time frame. We're talking about everything from client approval to bank processing speeds. And here's the kicker. The how long isn't a one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on several factors which we'll break down in detail. But first, let's address the elephant in the room. Why is this even a question? Why doesn't everyone just get paid instantly? Well, the world of online payments is complex. It's not as simple as hitting a button and money magically appearing. There are security measures, verification processes, and the inherent limitations of banking systems. Plus, Jobber acts as a middleman, facilitating the transaction, which adds another layer to the process. So, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What are the key factors that influence Jobber's payment timelines? 1. Payment method. This is arguably the biggest determinant. Jobber offers various payment options, each with its own processing speed. Jobber payments, credit/debit card, this is often the fastest route. Jobber's integrated payment system is designed for speed and efficiency. Typically, payments processed through Jobber payments are deposited into your bank account within 1 to 2 business days. However, keep in mind that weekends and holidays can extend this time frame. ACH, Automated Clearinghouse. This method allows clients to pay directly from their bank accounts. While it's often more cost-effective, ACH transfers generally take longer, usually 3 to 5 business days. This is due to the extra verification steps involved. Manual payments, cash, check, external card processing. If you record a manual payment in Jobber, it doesn't directly trigger a deposit. You're simply noting that you've received payment through another channel. The actual time it takes for those funds to be available depends entirely on your own banking processes. 2. Client action. Your client's promptness can significantly impact your payment speed. Approval time. If your client needs to approve an invoice before payment is processed, any delay on their end will delay your payment. Payment submission. Even after approval, the client needs to initiate the payment. If they procrastinate, you'll have to wait. 3. Bank processing times. Banks have their own internal processing timelines, which are outside of Jobber's control. Weekends and holidays. As mentioned earlier, banks don't operate 24/7. Payments initiated on weekends or holidays will be processed on the next business day. Bank verification. Sometimes, banks may flag transactions for additional verification, which can cause delays. 4. Jobber's internal processes. While Jobber strives for efficiency, there are internal processes that can influence payment speed. Potential holds. In rare cases, Jobber may place a hold on payments for security reasons or to investigate potential issues. This is usually done to protect both you and your clients. Technical issues. Like any online platform, Jobber can experience occasional technical glitches that may temporarily affect payment processing. 5. Your account setup. Ensuring your Jobber account is properly set up is crucial for smooth payments. Correct bank information. Double-check that your bank account details are accurate. Incorrect information can lead to payment failures and delays. Verification status. Make sure your account is fully verified. Incomplete verification can restrict payment processing. Now, let's talk about some practical tips to minimize payment delays. 1. Encourage jobber payments. As mentioned earlier, jobber payments offer the fastest processing times. Encourage your clients to use this method by highlighting its convenience and security. 2. Set clear payment terms. Clearly communicate your payment terms to your clients upfront. This includes payment deadlines and accepted payment methods. 3. Send invoices promptly. Don't wait to send invoices. The sooner you send them, the sooner your clients can pay. 4. Follow up on overdue payments. Don't be afraid to follow up with clients who haven't paid. A gentle reminder can often do the trick. 5. Utilize Jobber's automation features. Jobber offers features like automatic payment reminders and invoice follow-ups. Take advantage of these tools to streamline your payment process. 6. Maintain accurate records. Keep track of all your invoices and payments. This will help you identify any discrepancies or delays. 7. Communicate with Jobber support. If you experience any payment issues, don't hesitate to contact Jobber support. They can help troubleshoot problems and provide updates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.